Make a great choice today with the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.